You don't need motivation, you need discipline. And in this video, I'll show you why and guide you through 7 powerful steps to help you build unshakable discipline. Most people wait for motivation, as if it's some magical energy that suddenly pushes them into action. But in reality, no one feels inspired every day. Not you, not me, not even top performers. Maybe this sounds familiar. You wake up, you know exactly what you should do. Work out, work on your goals, create content, study. But there's no vibe, no spark, so you postpone it. And that postponing becomes a pattern that keeps you stuck because you believe motivation needs to come first before you can take action. But ask yourself this: when was the last time you waited for motivation to brush your teeth? Exactly. Some things you simply do because they need to be done. That's the difference between living based on your feelings and living based on direction. The Stoics believed that you should focus only on what is within your control. And motivation, is that within your control? No, but your actions are. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Take action now. It is within your power." You don't need to feel motivated to act. You just need to decide to act. Tip: set 3 daily actions you commit to, no matter how you feel. Do the work without the drama. Epictetus said that emotions come and go, but you don't have to obey every emotion. You don't need to feel like it. You don't need to feel inspired. You just need to show up. Tip: use the 2-minute rule. Start for just 2 minutes. Your mind will follow once your body is in motion. Motivation is a spike of energy. Discipline is a rhythm. Your success is shaped by what you do daily, not by what you do when you're in a motivated mood. Tip: attach actions to specific moments. Workout, right after waking up. Creative work, first 60 minutes of your day. Learning, after lunch, 1 time equals 1 task. No debate. Make the process more important than the outcome. A Stoic focuses on character, not on results. You can't control outcomes, not the algorithm, not the audience, not success. But you can control your effort. Tip: ask yourself every day, what would the disciplined version of me do? And do exactly that. Make discipline your identity. You're not someone who tries to be disciplined. You are someone who does what needs to be done. Every small action reinforces that identity. No motivation? Perfect. That's your chance to train discipline. Environment shapes discipline. Your environment influences your discipline more than your motivation ever will. A disciplined life isn't only about willpower. It's about setting up your surroundings so the disciplined choice becomes the easy choice. If you want to eat healthier, keep a bowl of fruit in sight and store junk food out of sight. Or don't buy it at all. If you want to study more, remove distractions from your desk. If you want to work out consistently, place your gym clothes where you can't ignore them. Change your environment, and your behavior follows. Tip: ask yourself, what is one small change I can make in my environment so the right action becomes the default? Small tweaks, big impact. Motivation is a luxury. Discipline is a skill. And the truth is, the people who go the furthest aren't the ones who feel motivated every day. They're the ones who do the work even when they don't feel like it. And every day you show up, you grow stronger, mentally, physically, and as a human being. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want more content on mindset, discipline, and self-growth, hit subscribe, because this journey is just the beginning.